Many Sioux farmers are also reeling, of course, and in fact, they're suffering a double blow. First, from the impact of President Trump's tariffs, which sent prices plummeting, and now many of those same farmers are facing catastrophic flooding. CNN's Vanessa Yorkovich talked with many of those farmers here in Iowa and shares their story.
It came fast, and it hasn't stopped. The Missouri River flooded to record levels across Midwestern states, taking with it homes, crops, and livestock, leaving farmers with hundreds of millions of dollars in losses.
As you stand here and you look at this flooding, what are the emotions that come to you?
There's a lot of pain and uncertainty of your future.
This on top of new tariffs, which have lowered prices on crops and livestock, implemented by a president many farmers here support. Dustin Sheldon is a fifth-generation soy and corn farmer in Percival, Iowa. He hasn't been able to get to his 2,000-acre farm since Sunday.
How much of your land would you say is underwater right now?
95%.
What is the damage that you're looking at?
It's over $1 million.
Over $1 million lost.
Yeah.
The Nebraska Department of Agriculture estimates losses of up to $1 billion.
These are the people out here that feed America, and without these people, America's going to suffer. The whole economy is going to suffer.
Just across the street is Leo Edelman's sixth-generation farm.
What should we be seeing right now?
You'll see a farm field like you do on out in there, the crop that was harvested last fall.
What does this mean for your season?
Well, we don't know yet. It's definitely a deep concern. The thing about this flood is it's affecting 2 years because a lot of these grain bins are holding our 2018 crop that we haven't got delivered to town yet or sold.
President Trump approved disaster relief funds for Nebraska, and Sheldon is hoping he'll do the same for Iowa.
I don't think they're going to forget us, because I think he knows how important that agriculture and grain farming, cattle farming, raising hogs, it is to our country.